Welcome, car enthusiasts, to a glimpse into the future. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, a stunning new addition to the Toyota lineup that promises to revolutionize the driving experience. Overview: the Crown Signia isn't just a car, it's a statement. Its sleek, sophisticated design exudes luxury and power. Imagine yourself cruising down the highway, heads turning as the sculpted lines and bold grille command attention. This isn't just transportation, it's an arrival. Interior: stepping inside, the feeling of premium quality envelops you. Soft, supple leather seats, wood accents, and a panoramic sunroof create an atmosphere of serenity and refinement. Technology seamlessly integrates with the environment, with a large, intuitive touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster that displays all the information you need at a glance. This is a cabin designed for comfort, convenience, and pure driving pleasure. Performance: but the Crown Signia is more than just a pretty face. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of powerful and efficient engines, including a hybrid option that delivers thrilling acceleration and impressive fuel economy. The all-wheel drive system ensures confident handling in all weather conditions, while the advanced driver assistance features give you peace of mind behind the wheel. Toyota didn't skimp on the luxury amenities either. Standard features include a heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, a premium sound system, and even a built-in air purifier. The Crown Signia is the perfect balance of luxury, technology, and performance, making every drive an unforgettable experience. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is more than just a car, it's a symbol of progress and innovation. It's a car for those who appreciate the finer things in life and demand the best. If you're looking for a driving experience that's both luxurious and exhilarating, then the Crown Signia is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews and updates.